Hi, I'm Dan Chatterton, CEO and manager of JACQUET Midwest. We're located in Racine, Wisconsin. JACQUET is a service-oriented stainless steel and nickel alloy processing company with 42 facilities worldwide in 21 different countries. 5 facilities are located in the United States. The facilities in the U.S. are located in Pottstown, Pennsylvania, Houston, Texas, Racine, Wisconsin, Pineville, North Carolina, and Carson, California. JACQUET's advantage in the industries is its large inventory of stainless plate from 48 wide to 120 wide in thicknesses through 3/16 thick through 6 inches thick. The industries that JACQUET serves are the chemical processing, nuclear, aerospace, food service industry, pulp and paper, and wastewater treatment. We're really excited to bring this new Jet Edge dual head 5-axis Waterjet into our facility. This machine will allow us to do work for the other facilities in our JACQUET United States group as well as our own customer base in Wisconsin. The precision that we'll be able to achieve with the new 5-axis taper control machines, we can provide a tighter tolerance part from top edge to bottom edge, eliminating a lot of the machining. It allows us to do more for our customer than we can do right now with our current Waterjet cutting. It allows us to bevel cut, taper control, chamfer holes on both top and bottom edges of the material. All of the machines in the JACQUET system are large table machines because of the large plate sizes that we buy mill direct, allowing us to be more efficient with our cuts, longer run cuts, and have better nesting. We know that it's going to provide a higher level of service to our customers, allowing them to look to JACQUET for all of their cutting needs.